Hi guys, it's Kathryn. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder out of a tin can. So you're going to take a regular empty can, rinse it out, make sure you take the top off, make sure there's no jagged edges. I have already spray painted mine white. You can spray paint it any color, as well as drilled a hole towards the bottom of the can, just a small hole to put the string through. So the first step is you're going to decorate your can, and you can do it any way you want to. You can paint it, color it with markers, put stickers on it, glue pom-poms on it, whatever you want. I am going to do some polka dots on mine with some paint. Okay, so once your paint or whatever you use to decorate your can is dry, you're gonna take a string and stick it through the hole that you drilled or poked in the can. Pull it through, and you're just gonna tie it. And this is how you will hang your bird feeder outside. Okay. Next, you are going to glue a popsicle stick to the bottom inside for the perch, and you want it to stick out just like an inch or an inch and a half. So I'm using hot glue. Make sure an adult is helping you. Put a little bit of glue on the inside. And now the last and final step is to pour some birdseed into the can. Don't pour a whole lot, because when you hang it up, it'll come forward a little bit. So like that is good, and then the bird can come land and eat some food.